Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. Today's video is about summer essential and I'm gonna tell you all the essential things that you need this summer as it's very hot in here now and summer has started. So there are few things that you need to put up in your routine as it's very important in summers to keep yourself fresh, hygienic. If you're also struggling with this sort of things, then you should definitely watch this video, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Also, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, I'm quite active there also, you can check it out. And if you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you could press the subscribe button. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with face wash, and my absolute favorite face wash, even if it's winter, summer or whatever season, I can't go without this face wash, and the name is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. And there are a lot of sizes available in this if you are using it for the first time. So there are small sizes available too, so you can check that out, and if that suits your skin, you can definitely check this one out. It's very affordable and does its job quite well. I have been using it for 6-7 years now. I don't know how many years it has been, and it is my go-to. I can never go without this face wash, and it has perfect amount of foam and does not spoil the skin texture, and perfect for all skin type, I would say. I am personally an oily skin type, and during summers it's like double oily, so I really need something to clear that oiliness on my face and all the dirt particles. So it is the best face wash in the market. Face wash in the market. Definitely you can try it out. I will link all the products, I will give both the options to you, that Nykaa and Amazon both. You can check it out. Okay, so the next face wash I'm gonna recommend you is the Cetaphil cleanser, and this is also my go-to cleanser. I use this product at night as the consistency that this face wash contains is like very light and best for sensitive and dry skin type, and I am oily skin type. So it doesn't really remove that dirt and oiliness that well. But I use it at night as whatever sunscreen or anything I have applied on my face like whole day, it can be removed with this one, and it is very nice if you have sensitive skin and you are struggling to find a perfect face wash for yourself. This is the one. Just blindly go for it. There are smaller sizes available too if you don't want to buy that 500 rupees face wash. You can just check the smaller version. Okay, so the next one is I have fitted up in my schedule, my skincare schedule. I have to scrub. It is so important to scrub, especially in summers, as there are so many dirt particles that get collected and you can't see them, but they actually are. When you scrub them, when you remove the dead skin, it feels so soft. Your face is cleared, no germs. You get very less chance of getting pimples, as the oiliness creates pimples. So yes, definitely I am gonna recommend you my favorite go-to M Caffeine Licked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Face Scrub, and this one is very gentle skin type also can use this, as the consistency is very thin and very nice in fact, and smells quite natural. And yeah, next I'm gonna recommend you for body a M Caffeine body scrub, and this is not a collaboration video, but I personally love their products a lot. They also give you a spoon type of thing, and I mean, I just need scrubbing for my body. You don't know how much pollution and dirt it collects, so after scrubbing I just feel so fresh, clean and very nice. So this is the scrub I have used a lot, and I use it twice a week. You can use it once a week for start, but I would really recommend you this scrub for sure. And in the market, I think this is the best scrub I could see. I tried finding more scrubs, but I think this one is very affordable and does its job well. Next, I'm gonna recommend you the shower gel. Now I use Dove shower gel. I have also used the Nivea one, the Fiyama one, and a lot of them, and I love those too. They are very affordable. You can go for those. Currently I'm using the Dove one. I like this, but I think the Nivea one and Fiyama one gives that more thickening to it. So I would really switch back to them. after this is over. It smells really good, to be honest, but I just think that I need more foam, while bathing. So that product give me, so I'm gonna switch to that. You can check it out, and this product, it's not bad. But now that I've used all those products also, so I can choose out of which that work well for me. So I'm gonna choose that one. Now that it's summer, you get so much dandruff, itchiness on your head, and I really am dependent on this Selsun shampoo, and this is the best product I can come across for dandruff, and I have been using this for a year or more, and it definitely works like magic. It's a bit on a pricier side, like for 300 or 400 for this small bottle, but you just need this much amount, and you can mix it with water and apply it after shampoo. So I think this product lasts at least a month or half for me, and in summers you might need more frequently, but overall it can last a month for sure. So I would really recommend you this shampoo. It's best for dandruff. I can't do without a sunscreen, even in winters. Like, I can't step out without a sunscreen. It's very important. Okay, you should also not at all miss it. Just fix it in your skincare routine, as it's gonna do wonders to your skin. Trust me. You can use any brand sunscreen. It's not specifically this one. I use this one. I have also used the Neutrogena one, but that didn't really suit my skin type, but my sister's skin type. So her skin type was dry. So I think for dry skin type you can try Neutrogena one, but the size is like very small for a sunscreen. So I love this one. Next is body lotion. Now this is the one, the sticker is out, but specifically I'm not saying to use this one. You can use any sort of Vaseline, Nivea, a lot of brands have different type of body lotions. You can use according to your choice. I use this one. I'm currently using this one. I have also tried a variety of body lotions, and body lotion is must after a bath. You just need to note these things down, that this is very important in summers especially. Also, I use this Johnson's Baby Oil after bath, so it just hydrates and just gives that glowy look. And yeah, I just love this one. You can get any size if you want. You can apply any oil you have. Even coconut oil will work, as it's very hydrating for your body. After scrubbing you need moisturization, so I think oil gives a lot. Last but not the least, perfumes. Now I have quite a lot of perfumes, and I'm also gonna create a video on perfumes under 500. So yeah, just comment me down below if you really want to see that. I'm just gonna show you. This one, the Nykaa one, is my go-to one. Like, I apply it a lot, but this is in a pricier range, like it's for 500, but I really love the scent. It's actually very similar to the Nykaa body lotion of lavenders. So even if you buy the lotion, it will smell the same, as I have both of them. So I know, so you can just get a perfume or a lotion, whatever you want to, because both of them smell same, exactly the same. My other two are from Miniso, and these two are like in 150 range, and these are like perfect scents you can ever get, and I just love it. Very affordable, very nice fragrance, and it's very long lasting. And yes, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.